Hello again. In this example, the green car at the front has been observed travelling under the speed limit. The blue car merges into the right lane to avoid being stuck behind the slow-moving green car. This is a very common thing, there's nothing unusual about it. As the traffic starts to flow again, the blue car does not overtake the slow-moving green car. Instead, the blue car travels at the same slow speed that the green car is, despite not doing so earlier. Now nobody can pass the slow-moving green car, and none of the other drivers in either lane are able to achieve the speed limit. As they approach the intersection, no one has been able to overtake that slow-moving green car. Why did the blue car change lanes if they didn't intend to pass the slow-moving green car? Should the blue car have stayed in the left lane and allowed other drivers to pass?